Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sunil Saudari, Director of LifePoint Research and LifePoint Hospital. I am bringing the experience of last 14 years from this industry. So what I understand is this industry is one of the fastest growing industry in India right now. As we all know that Indian pharmaceutical industry is the second largest industry in entire Asia with annual growth of more than 10%. All these pharmaceutical companies, they invest up to 35% of their revenue in clinical research. So it itself makes as a high growth potential industry. So who all can apply for this course? Is any life science graduate is eligible to do this course. This industry has multiple sub-disciplines including regulatory affairs, medical operations, pharmacovigilance, clinical data management, medical writing, biostatistics. So anybody who is doing clinical research course will have understanding and glimpse about all these sub-disciplines. After completing your course, you can join any of these fields. Usually the hierarchy remains same. Anybody who is joining can join as a trainee in the beginning, then as an executive, senior executive, then managerial position and the head of the department position, for which you have to acquire multiple skills along with the technical knowledge like people management, soft skills, which are already covered in your syllabus. So we invite you to join our clinical research course, which will help you to grow your career. Usually people who are joining in this field as freshers can get CTC of close to 2.5 lakh rupees per year in the beginning. But this is not attractive, believe me. The attraction really here is being a high growth potential industry. This is the only industry which offers you annual appraisal in double digits always. So this is something which will help you build your career and your future. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Mahesh Ashok Marathe. I am the director of PharmMed Hub, which is associated with the LifePoint Research Center. In our PharmMed Hub, we are providing advanced PG diploma course in clinical research. We name as the post graduation diploma in clinical research. In short form, we can say as the PGDCR. Right? This course having the 4-month duration. Right? In that, we are providing 3-month theory part and 1-month internship part. In 3-month theory part, we are providing the clinical trials operations. Along with that, we are providing pharmacovigilance, and then we move to the clinical data management. After this, we are providing 2 HR sessions. In that, we are providing IT skills and soft skills, which the aptitude test, then CV builder. Along with that, we are providing the mock interviews. So after that, you go for the 1-month internship, which is 100% internship provided by our institute PharmMed Hub. After that, you go for the examination and then certification. After certification, we are providing the 100% placement guarantee along with this course. Then who apply for this course? The BSc student, pharmacy student and M.Pharma student. Those students then final year pharmacy and then third year BSc student also can apply for this course.